Hello everyone, welcome back to AMS Diecast channel. Okay, today I will unboxing for the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture 2021-D for the Exotic Envy. Okay, let's go. We start to unboxing for this case. Okay, for this kit, for the hot car is a Bugatti Chiron, the 16 Bugatti Chiron. Now we go for the first car. Yeah, this one. A 60 Bugatti Chiron, the car number 4 of 5. Then we go for the second car. McLaren Senna, the car number 1 of 5. Okay, we go for the third car. Aston Martin Valhalla Concept, the car number 3 of 5. Okay, for the next car, Lamborghini Huracan LP Seat 10-4, the car number 5 of 5. Okay, for the last car, Aston Martin Vulcan, the car number 2 of 5.